Engineering challenge of the week. Try to get this 8-ball on this quill handle right here at North Tustin Steamworks. So, this is Andrew with North Tustin Steamworks, and finally got some time to do some fun projects here as we're getting ready for the big grand opening tomorrow. Come on down, we'll open until about 6 in the evenings, 8 a.m. But the deal is here, so this handle on the quill is just a piece of wood scrap that I drilled out and tapped, and it's not very comfortable to work with, and it certainly isn't very cool. And so what I did is I ordered an 8-ball off of eBay, which arrived yesterday, and I'm gonna face off one of the 8s and then drill out, and then I've got a tap that is the right, where is it? Here it is. Here. This is the right kind of a thread tap. Is that in focus? There we go. This is the right kind of thread tap that'll match the thread that is on here. So I can drill out the 8-ball and then tap out the thread and have an 8-ball knob for the quill. How fun is that? So the plan is, I got 2 pieces of oak, nice and durable, leftover baseboard, and so I've drilled out one little divot, and I'm going to do a second little divot. I'm going to use these as a little sandwich in the vise, and I got a nice big heavy bore, about 1.25 inch drill, right? So I'm just going to drill it down enough to do a complete counter sink hole in the face. There we go. And so that's ready. So now I'm going to take the wood out. I'm going to put the ball, the billiard ball in between the wood, and then I'm going to chuck up this monster. And this is a 6-flute end mill, courtesy of the Cavanaugh family. And I'm going to use this to face off the ball to make a nice flat surface to drill through, and then I'll start drill operations with the newly restored Jacobs 5/8 inch drill chuck, which I just finished processing today. So here we go, back in a minute. Alright, so here we go. I got the 8-ball corner pocket. I got this nice 6-flute 1.25 inch end mill, and this actually is a brand new end mill donated and has never been used. This is the first time it's ever been used on anything, and I'm going to go ahead and I figure out a blend, and I'm going to go ahead and run it over here a little bit. It's right between the wood, and I'm going to run it in a little bit. Run it up, I mean. I'm going to take the table. Hold this so you can see. I'm going to take the table up and just sighting across the bottom of the mill. And I'm just going to sight it right there. That's about 1/8 of an inch below. And then I've got a motorized feed for the table. So we're going to go ahead and put this in pretty low speed and just start it moving to the right. So you push the handle to the right, and then it goes to the right. The table is now slowly moving across. It should impact it in a second now. There it goes. Doing a great job. Taking the face off. It smells like melted plastic. Well, that 8 is really deep. I didn't think it would go that deep. That's pretty cool. But that didn't take much. Now I'm going to let it pass all the way over. Just so I have a nice consistent face. And I think I might come back for one more pass. I'll bring it up another, maybe sorry, 1/8 of an inch. But, yeah, well, you can see the bottom of the 8 kind of pop out out of its hole. So I'm going to stop the feed, put the feed handle back in neutral, and I'm going to raise the table up here, and just going to go up, maybe not much, you know, maybe 20 thousandths there by the dial on the hand on the table crank, and I'm going to go back now the other way, turn the handle around this way, and the table on the left, so pass it under the mill head, I took another 20 thousandths off from here. You can hear it still cutting as the back of the mill head comes through. And there you see the 8 is completely gone. You can also see, oops, I'm sorry, I'm not even showing you. You can also see that the ball, the sphere of the black is not concentric with the sphere of the white. How funny is that? Okay, turn that off. Face is milled. Okay, so now I'm going to do a tool change and set up the drill chuck so we can drill out the hole and get it ready to cut. Shut it off here. You know, resin, so it'll be really easy to cut. And I'll go ahead and drill it out. Here we go. So I went back to Home Depot, got a 1/2 inch by 13 thread per inch nut, and I tested that out, and that actually works fine. So that kind of proves that's the right thread. So I got a drill and tap set for 1/2 inch by 13, and I set up the drill that comes with it. So now I can drill out the hole, and then after that I'll come back with a tap and tap out. This is a 1/2 inch by 13 thread with a. Alignment pin that I can chuck up, and this will go into this hole and allow me to make a straight insertion into the ball. So just lock the quill down, and I can start to cut this thread. Which I can just do this way. So without this pin following, the tap would just fall over. That would be a big mess. It's going good. So I can continue down, back it off a little bit to break some of the cuttings. Make a nice deep thread. Fit really well in here. There's the bottom of the hole. So we go 1/2 inch diameter by 13 threads per inch. Eight-ball billiard ball. Now, the proof in the pudding. Did we do this right? Well, I hope so. It's a very dusty mess. It looks pretty cool. Ready? Is it gonna work? Here we go. Look at that. There it is.
I got the game.
That's awesome. The 8 even lined up kind of straight too, isn't that cool? So there you go. That's how you drill an 8-ball. Takes about 4 steps to do it all, but it's all set. A little bit better than the hunk of wood that I had before. So, thank you so much, North Tustin Steamworks.